7 kilometers to the nearest vodka. Deep inside the desolate steppes of communist Russia, trouble was brewing.
No more dynamite, but we got a cheese and pickle sandwich.
Shut up, the train's coming.
Do you always travel decadent class?
Yes, it's the perk of being a party member.
I'll have a glass of some or more equal than others beetroot wine. Da.
Well, sure bottoms up.
Okay.
Wait, that's an old 642 engine. Too late, let's go. But it's a shame to blow it up. That could be worth a lot of money.
Get your heads down.
They used to run them in double headers on the bloody Vostok line.
Shut up, Petrov, you fat boar!
Want to see my flying Scotsman?
In a minute.
Beetroot, madam.
Give her a big one, will you?
I thought that was your job, dear.
Try to hide it.
Don't hit the engine, hit the carriages. They're only our southern region.
Shut up, Petrov, you cackboy!
Beetroot, last call for beetroot. Oh, I've got a splitting headache. Beetroot!
Oh, those cheese and pickle sandwiches sure packed a punch.
6 months later, in the underground bunker of the Tsarist resistance movement.
Hello, Ivan the intellectual. Still writing your crappy old anti-communist pamphlet rubbish?
Well, Petrovich, you silly fat fool, I've got more chance of bringing down communism than you with your blowing up trains.
You think so, Mr. Poolbright? Well, we've got some new policies now.
What?
We took the Leningrad party chief and put him in a barrel of pig shit.
When are you going to realize, Petrovich, that the pen is more powerful than the sword?
You fill your pen with pig shit?
Don't be ridiculous.
Well, that's what comes out of it.
Now let's get Corby.
That's what we do. Because we're fighters. What do? You just write big books of rubbish.
I'm writing a critique of the communist system.
Oh, I didn't realize. Well, I'll do the important things like sending people horse manure through the post and calling them rude names, and you do your critique. Don't worry.
Meanwhile, in an insect food restaurant in New York.
I've come about the salesman's